BJP to contest all 117 seats in upcoming Punjab Assembly elections. The Bharatiya Janata Party will contest all 117 assembly seats in the upcoming Punjab Assembly elections. Addressing the first zonal meeting in Patiala, BJP General Secretary Organisation BL Santosh said that Punjab is fully geared for a change and the party will win the elections and form a government in the state. Mr. Santosh began his two-day visit to Punjab yesterday to review the party's organizational functioning and to strengthen coordination and preparedness at the grassroots level in the poll-bound state. An assembly election is due in Punjab early next year. Earlier, Mr. Santosh was welcomed by Punjab BJP Chief Keval Singh Dhillon and State BJP co-in-charge Narendra Singh Raina at the Chandigarh airport. He chaired organizational meetings in Patiala and Bathinda yesterday. Mr. Santosh is set to hold a series of zonal meetings with BJP leaders and organizational functionaries across the state. During his visit, Mr. Santosh will review the organization's activities and preparedness for the upcoming assembly elections through zonal meetings with BJP leaders and organizational office bearers across different regions of Punjab. These meetings will focus particularly on strengthening the organization up to the booth level and reaching out to the people regarding the policies and achievements of the central government under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.